Hello, my fellow nursing students. Are you thinking of starting the nursing school? Have you started already? Here are some things you shouldn't be pressurized about. If you're starting or already started nursing school, while scrolling through lots of videos of expensive gadgets like laptop, MacBook, smartwatch, fancy notepad, this video is for you. Let's talk about what you actually need by not being pressurized, comparison, and breaking the bank. Social media often show one version of nursing school: the aesthetic decks, the fancy MacBook, the smartwatch, the iPad, the color code notes. While there is nothing wrong with this, it can make new students feel they don't belong to the circle if they cannot afford them. Let's say this clearly: your value as a nursing student or as a nurse is not measured by all these fancy gadgets, but consistency. What nursing school should require? Nursing school is about showing up, understanding concept, practicing skills, and consistency. Your hand skills, clinical judgment, and discipline are far more than the device you're using to take notes. Do not misunderstand me. If you can afford all these fancy gadgets and stuff, you can get it for yourself. It makes life easier. But if you cannot, do not be pressurized. You can do it with what you have. I'll be sharing 10 basic things you need as a first-year nursing student or as an existing nursing student. The first one is comfortable shoe. Oh my God, you need a comfortable shoe because you will be on your feet for a very long time during clinicals. You don't need a fancy Adidas shoe. You don't need a fancy NBA shoe. You don't need the fancy shoes you see all on the cute nurses you're seeing on the internet. Just get a light, comfortable shoe that can help you throughout the day. The second one is single note pad and pen. You don't need a digital note to understand nursing concept. Writing helps retention. A simple note works as well as tablet does. Get different color pen and make your notes look cute. Functional phone, which I believe everybody has a phone. You don't need the latest phone to do or make a research of your assignment. So far, your phone can record the lecturer, set an alarm, set a calendar, access learning platform like your portal, and research topic. You are good to go. Reliable internet access. What matters is access, not ownership. If you do not own a laptop yet, I'm very sure nursing school has libraries where you can access the internet. There are lots of reading and studying apps I will be sharing on internet which you can use the link on the library computer. You don't need to break the bank to get yourself a laptop now if you can afford one. Basic nursing kit. All you need is a simple wristwatch. If you can afford a smartwatch at the moment, get a simple working wristwatch, a small note, a pen light, you're good to go. The sixth one on the list is your water bottle. You have to stay hydrated because it is not for the weak. Hydration supports concentration and energy. Nursing school is demanding. Don't underestimate it. The seventh on the list is your snack, your go-to snack. Make sure you pack a little snack, a healthy snack to keep you focused because low sugar affects focus and reduce your brain functioning. Eighth on the list is simple calendar system. If you do not have the MacBook that can organize your routine calendar for you, get a sheet on your cabinet. Write out all your plans for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, or the semester. Then every day you wake up, you see them and know what to do next. The ninth and most important one is support system. Trust me, nursing school will drain you. But with a good friend, a support system, you will be fine. Your support system can be anybody. It can be your classmate, your family, your friend, your spouse. It can be anybody. Just find your own support system because the encouragement from them would help you through the journey. The last one on the list is consistency and self believe. You have to believe in yourself. This matters most more than any other device. Nursing school reward consistency, practice, and showing up for yourself, not the aesthetic. Yes, you will still be the fun nurse you want to be, but if you cannot afford the lifestyle, stay within your limit. Those are what you need, and you do not have to go out of your way just to feel belong. If you are watching this and feeling behind because of what you watched on social media, because you don't have what others are showing on social media, my sister, breathe. My co-nursing student, breathe. You are enough. You belong here, and you can succeed with any of it. Feel free to leave a comment below for aspiring nursing students advising they don't have to go out of their way to belong in the circle. Like and subscribe to Melanie and Scrub, and let's be the future cute nurse together.